Namaste guys and welcome to Reception. CISE, meaning the council, just released a notice regarding ICSE Class 10 board examinations and ISC Class 12 board examinations. First, let me read out the notice real quick. This has reference to the conduct of remaining papers of ICSE Class 10 and ISC Class 12 2020 examinations and other matters directly related to it. The council states that, first of all, the CISE shall conduct the ICSE Class 10 and ISC Class 12 year 2020 examinations for all the remaining subjects papers which are for Class 10 examinations, that means ICSE examinations, Geography, Biology, Economics, Group 3 elective, that means computer applications, commercial applications, economic applications, Hindi and Art paper 4. That means all the 6 subjects for which the examinations were remaining. Then we have for Class 12, that means ISC, Biology paper 1, Business Studies, Geography, Sociology, Psychology, Home Science paper 1, Elective English and Art paper 5. That means 8 subjects for Class 12 ISC. So basically they are saying that board examinations for Class 10 ICSE and Class 12 ICSE will be held. I have been telling you this for a long time that there are a lot of assumptions on the internet, on YouTube and many other places, but we should wait for the official notice. So the official notice is over here and it is stating that the board examinations of Class 10 as well as Class 12 will be held. Next, there are several other points. Let me read out them real quick. These exams shall be conducted within a period of 6 to 8 days, including Saturday and Sunday. It will announce the schedule of the revised dates for the remaining 6 papers of ICSE and 8 papers of ISC year 2020 examinations, respectively, subject to central government's directive on the lockdown. Then, it shall announce that revised schedule of the examination 8 days prior to the commencement of the examinations. This time may be utilized by the schools to make all the necessary arrangements and also enable the students to revise for the remaining papers. So basically before the examinations start, regard to Class 10 or to Class 12, you will get a notice of 8 days. That means you will get time to revise. It will not happen that you are getting a notice today and you will have to start with the examinations from tomorrow. So you will get a notice period of 8 days. No need to worry regarding this. Adding, the dates for the rescheduled examinations will be communicated to all heads of schools via email and through the carriers portal of CISE. For other stakeholders, the same will also be uploaded on the CISE's official website. That means they will upload the notice whenever they get the government's directive regarding the lockdown. Then, after the conduct of remaining examinations, the CISE shall declare the results within a period of 6 to 8 weeks. Then finally, we have 2 more points. Let's read them real quick. The schools may give provisional admission to ICSE students into Class 11 subject to board results. The schools may also begin and continue with online classes for them while awaiting the conduct of the remaining papers. Similarly, the ISC students may also start and continue with preparations for various entrance examinations during this interim period. So basically they are encouraging students, first of all of Class 10, to start with their studies of Class 11, and they are encouraging the students of Class 12 to start with their studies in regard to entrance and competitive examinations, which is really important because if you get less time afterwards, you will face problems. So right now it's better to keep on revising with the Class 10 or Class 12 stuff, whatever you have the board of Class 10 or Class 12. And also you should start thinking about the future right now. What you want to study in Class 11 or what you want to study in the future. And you should start studying or a little bit because it has asked the school to start online classes and it has also asked schools to provide interim admission. Okay, that means provisional admission. Then point number 7, the final point. Let me read it out real quick. In the meantime, the CISE advises its affiliated schools to continue with the teaching learning processes in their respective schools during the period of lockdown. That means online learning. This could be done by using the technologies available. That means through online modes, so online classes. For classes 1 to 8, the curriculum may be transacted using fun and creative lessons. Well, this is a good thing because education should be fun. Then, for the board levels, classes of classes 9 to 12, the schools are requested to continue with teaching as per the respective syllabus. Teachers may also utilize this period to clear the doubts of the students in the subjects for which the examinations is yet to be concluded. So basically it is a long press release with 7 pointers. They have basically addressed all the points that are in the minds of students, teachers and all the stakeholders. So basically the notice was released today, 1st of May. The notice says that examinations of class 10 board and class 12 board will be held. So let us consider that the board examinations will be held because we got an official notice from the council itself, and I am advising you to keep on with the revision of class 10 or class 12 in whichever class you are studying, and also you should start thinking about your future because that is also very important right now. And secondly, please do not panic, please do not be afraid. Many students have been asking me, sir, how will be the checking, how will be the question papers? So guys, the question papers will be normal, it will be easy because most of the question papers are easy in class 10 also, in class 12 also. Checking every year is moderate. This year also the checking will be normal and moderate, and they are saying that after the examinations are held, you will get your results after 6 to 8 weeks. So that is also not a big problem right now. Okay, so guys, that was all I wanted to say. What I'll do is I will link this notice in the description box below so you can go and check it out yourself. I'll advise you to go and check out the notice yourself, read it out properly and try to understand everything. If you have any concerns or any problems or any doubts regarding anything, you can comment down below and we will definitely answer your problems or any concerns. Right now guys, stay at home, keep studying, utilize your time, stay safe, stay fit, keep on exercising, try to walk at least 5,000 steps regularly inside your house and stay as healthy as possible. Take care.